Hi, Jonathan here, and I wanted to share with you about this service, Apps for Rent, and it's a hosting company where it hosts a virtual desktop for your remote team. So if you're outsourcing any part of your business, tech, operations, or any part of your task force, you can have them remote, and then you can have the same desktop setup that you want them to have on their own desk and their own browser, because it's all in the cloud base. So there's no need for that extra hardware. They don't have a computer that's good enough. As you can see here, you could try free for 30 days, so there's no obligation if you don't like it. $24 a month. I mean, seriously, that's easily justified, especially if you're going to get extra productivity from being able to have remote workers. It supports all the formats. I mean, there's many other services too. Hosted Exchange, SharePoint, Dynamic CRM. So any project, business enterprise, or anything alike that you need, and if you need premium application hosting, Apps for Rent is a no-brainer go-to. As I was saying, $25 a month. You can start out with this great service. And if you'd like to know more and go ahead and get this service, you can feel free to click the link below, take you right to it. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you much business and prosperity. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.